Looking to ease your workflow when purifying RNA from a urine sample? Well, we have a solution. Our Urine cell-free circulating RNA purification kit provides a fast, reliable, and convenient method to purify and concentrate high-quality, high-purity, inhibitor-free, cell-free circulating RNA. That includes exosomal RNA as well as viral RNA from fresh, preserved, or frozen urine samples. In a recent study, researchers used this kit to extract cell-free RNA from the urine of bladder cancer patients to assess whether urinary microRNAs could be used to predict cancer progression. They utilized QRT-PCR to quantify the total microRNA concentrations between matched urine and tissue samples, and to compare up or down regulation of tumor suppressor genes between the samples. Pretty cool, huh? Check out our website, norgenbiotech.com, to learn more about this kit and how it can benefit you and your lab. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, Norgen Biotech's kits are always ready to aid you in your next R&D project.